Welcome to our video on laser leveling. This video was produced by Jess and Revoy. To get started, you will need a tripod, laser level receiver, and a measuring stick. You may also wish to use a calculator and a table to record your findings, which we will show you later in this video. To get started, set up your tripod, make sure it's secure, and get it as close to level as possible. The laser is self-leveling, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Attach the laser level onto the tripod by threading the laser onto the bolt. Turn on the laser level by pushing the button and give it time to self-level. Once it's ready, the level will shoot a red laser in 360 degrees around. Be sure to check your laser's batteries before you begin your project. Next, attach the laser receiver onto a measuring stick and take an initial reading at a location that remains unchanged during your project. This measurement is called your backsite. In our case, we used a location on a cement floor. Be sure to check this location if you intend to use it in the future. During this video, you will see us taking our backsite reading. When taking your readings, you will want to adjust the height of your receiver until you get a flat line indicator on the receiver's screen. Indicator arrows will assist you by pointing either up or down. Many receiver models will also have beeps that change in cadence to help you find your readings more quickly. Now we will be taking a reading in a second location that could possibly change in elevation from day to day. In this video, it is a pallet of wood. This reading is called your intermediate foresight, which we will talk about later. Next, you will need to establish a benchmark. In our case, we typically establish at 100 meters.
All right, now let's discuss equations. So, at the beginning of your project, you'll need to establish your benchmark, which we mentioned for us is always 100 meters. And then you'll have taken your backsite reading. Earlier in our video, it was the cement floor location. And what you need to do is add that benchmark to that backsite to establish your height of instrument. After you've established your height of instrument, let's say that you were given a desired elevation that a certain project needed to be at. To determine your intermediate foresight for that desired location, you would subtract your elevation from the height of the instrument. And on the other side of the scale, if you needed to calculate your elevation, you simply subtract your intermediate foresight from your height of instrument. Alright, so earlier in our video we discussed that you may wish to use a calculator and also a table to record your findings. This is an example of a table, and as you can see, it makes tracking your information extremely easy and pleasant to the eye. We hope you've enjoyed this presentation, and thank you for watching.